Welcome back to Car Magica, where we bring you the latest camper reviews, features, and expert insights. Today, we're diving into the world of practicality and comfort with the 2026 GMC Savana van. Known for its durability and versatility, this full-size van has been transformed into a capable motorhome that delivers reliability, space, and everyday usability. First, let's talk about the interior. GMC is well known for building tough, dependable vehicles, and the 2026 GMC Savana camper conversion reflects that philosophy with a smart and functional interior layout. As you step inside, you'll find a spacious living area designed to maximize comfort and usability on the road. The materials are durable yet refined, featuring comfortable seating, soft-touch panels, and practical storage solutions throughout. The lounge area includes a mounted flat-screen display, an integrated sound system, and well-placed windows that allow plenty of natural light. The compact kitchen comes equipped with essential appliances, including a cooktop, sink, refrigerator, and storage cabinets for extended trips. The sleeping area offers a comfortable full-size bed, while the onboard bathroom setup includes a shower and modern fixtures, ensuring convenience wherever your journey takes you. Now moving to the exterior, the 2026 GMC Savana van maintains its iconic boxy and muscular design, built for strength and long-term reliability. Its straightforward shape not only improves interior space, but also makes it easy to customize for camper use. The exterior features durable paint finishes designed to withstand harsh conditions, along with optional graphics for a more rugged look. A side-mounted awning provides shaded outdoor living space, while steel or alloy wheels reinforce its work-ready appearance. Built on a heavy-duty frame, the Savana offers excellent stability and load capacity, making it ideal for camper conversions and long-distance travel. Its no-nonsense exterior design reflects its purpose-driven character. When it comes to performance, the 2026 GMC Savana van is powered by a proven 6.6-liter V8 gasoline engine that delivers strong and dependable performance. Whether you're cruising on highways or navigating through mountain roads, the Savana provides consistent power and confidence behind the wheel. The engine is paired with a smooth automatic transmission that handles both city driving and long hauls with ease. A refined suspension system helps absorb road imperfections, ensuring a comfortable ride even when fully loaded. Advanced safety and driver assist features, including stability control, rear-view monitoring, and optional parking assistance, make maneuvering this large van more manageable and stress-free. Finally, let's discuss the price. The 2026 GMC Savana van camper conversion is positioned as an affordable and practical option in the motorhome segment. With a starting price ranging between $120,000 and $180,000 depending on conversion level and features, it offers excellent value for those seeking a reliable and customizable camper solution. This price includes the durable platform, interior conversion, and essential comfort features needed for travel and adventure. While it may not chase ultra-luxury, it excels at delivering a dependable and adaptable motorhome experience. Whether you're planning weekend getaways, cross-country road trips, or van life adventures, the GMC Savana van proves to be a capable and trustworthy companion. Stay tuned for more reviews, and don't forget to like and subscribe to Car Magica for all the latest in automotive excellence.